y'all, West back again with a video. So yeah, I'm feeling myself again today because like I hate lashes, bro, just because I can't. I mean, I can, but like it's really hard to apply lashes and have them looking identical. Meow. Anywho's though, I just want to show you guys how I got this pretty like cut crease, the sunset cut crease look. It's a sunset eye makeup, but I cut my crease. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I did it, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, how about you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my pretty ass. Like, okay, that was kind of conceited, but I mean, I'm kind of confident in myself. So, yeah, let's go ahead with the video. Yeah.
This is good.
Oh,
this is good.
so I didn't tell you guys about the color. So the colors that I used from the palette, it's really dirty, so excuse me. But the colors that I used was, I blown out this color. This is It Hunts,
I'm on 34.
like all over. And blown it out. I gotta look like this because my eyes are really irritated. I put Hunts first, then I used Jax, then I used Chip to like darken it out, and then for the lid I used Creamsicle because it doesn't show up like if I was to like try to like blend it out or stuff like on my eyelids or whatever. It only shows up like this, which is weird. So then I used Creamsicle, and then I just went in with Hunts and Jax, and then Chip in the outer V. Yeah, those are the colors I used. hurt so bad, y'all. I still on my flow. I got this in-rig like vanity drink, and it's like I had to sit on my butt, and I have no butt, so my like bones are going numb. Ooh, tough. It's tough. Ooh, this is actually pretty cute.
Nobody drinks till this guy
Oh, I like this. Look at this, guys. This is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna have to like I'm gonna finish this eye and I'm gonna come back with the finishing touches. Okay. I'm just trying to finish up my look. So let us like bronze. I don't think I really can bronze. Let's bronze and contour. You know. So, yeah. Like, if that made a difference, let me know. Like, leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Like, I'm begging you to leave a comment, because sometimes I be thinking you can't see nothing, so I should just skip this stuff. Because, you know, I'm chocolate. I ain't that chocolate, but I'm chocolate enough. You feel me? So, if this made a difference on my forehead, can you let me know, please? Okay. Yeah. But I like to contour my cheeks and then like bronze, because it like softens it out, even though I blend it out pretty well anyway.